Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. So I'm super excited about this week's tutorial. I saw a picture of the stovetop cover on my Facebook page and I was like, oh, that's cute. And so I went to look at the price and I was like, oh, that's not cute. So here I am making my own. I'll leave everything I used in the description box below. Don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to my channel. Cut on the bell notification so you guys don't miss any of my new videos. And don't forget to follow us on Instagram and like us on Facebook. To begin the project, I'm just going to stain this plywood that I purchased from Home Depot, and I had it cut to the measurements of my stove. And right here I'm using the color Kona, and I'm just wiping it on with an old rag. And you guys, don't be like me. Use gloves when you do this part, because now my fingernails are brown. And I did this for the front and back and sides of all my wood. Once my stain dried, I'm applying my decal here. I made these decals myself, but you can also use a stencil from Michael's or Home Depot, or if you can draw, you can go ahead and draw on this with acrylic paint, but I just chose to add the decal, which is vinyl decal is basically just a sticker. Once I got my decal on there and I smoothed it out, I'm going to attach the 1x4s to my plywood that I also purchased from Home Depot and had them cut it with the saw. And right here, if it looks like I don't know what I'm doing, it's because I don't. But I got it together and I was able to screw my wood down. I did split my wood a little bit, but I'm just going to go back with some wood filler and probably stain it over. And once I got those screwed down, I'm just going to screw the handles down that I also purchased from Home Depot. And that's it, guys. Our project is done. It's absolutely gorgeous. You can use it as a stovetop cover like I did right here, or it can also double as a serving tray. So if you have guests, this is a great way to be fancy. And I will be adding a layer of polyacrylic over this just to protect the project. As always, guys, thanks for watching. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. And until next time.